Yo everyone, what's up? How we doing, everyone? How we doing? If you are new to this channel and you love Suicide Boys or any G59 type shit, you get what I mean, comment down below your favorite artist from the G59 record label, or if you've been to Great Day recently, just comment that below, because I've been recently. Fuck with it. Yup, heavy. But today we're gonna get right into it. Someone commented in my last video to do a hard drum tutorial, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do my Suicide Boys drums. And without further ado, let's hop right in. What I do, because you need your melody to go around with it. I'm not going to focus so much on the melody as I am with the drums today, but Nexus and Electra X have been the godsends for me making Suicide Boys beats, Suicide Boys type beats. Besides using like samples or anything like that, Nexus, Electra X, the GOAT. Just got this crystallized sound. Sounds like this. Oh shit. What makes this sound so good, you already know, half step, half step, half step, and then we move on. This little background pluck that I got, it's also from Nexus. Goated sounds, keep telling you guys, perfect. Just this little, oh shit bro, you hear that playing? Whoa! Now for the drums. I'm gonna start from when we drop in. What I've been dabbling with to make it so fucking dang hard is just using screams and crashes and combining them. So I got this scream right over here. Sounds like a fucking bird or a human combined, fucking human birdanoid with a little crash sound cymbal. And together. Damn spooky. And when you lay it over like the kick and the 808, which I'll show you in just a bit, you're about to find out. So I got my drum kit. So I got my Ashes and Echoes drum kit here. All my kicks, 808s, everything in my drum kit is fucking goated, by the way. If you want your Suicide Boys beats to sound like mine, go look at my past videos or my Type B channel, Prod by No Sabo Kid, and you'll find out. You want a really thumpy kick and a deep fucking 808, bro. My favorite 808 in my drum kit, it has to be the 6-7. Bro, it goes damn crazy, bro. I use the 6-7 808. I'll probably say in like 80% of my Suicide Boys type beats. It's just that damn good. In my opinion, the second most important part to Suicide Boys type beats, the snare is fucking important, bro. Damn important. I got this Abyss 808. It sounds like this. And this is the pattern. The third most important part. I'm combining kick and 808 together is the first, because you need both of them to make it sound good. This is the hi-hat pattern. Just very simple. Change the velocity just a bit at the bottom, and then the only roll I have, I just put the velocity going in an upward trend, just so it goes from a lower volume to higher volume. Just gives it a little bit more of that and then I just have an open hat to complement the drums. That's the only reason I use an open hat. It just complements the drums, just gives a little bounce. What do we got all together with the drop? I know, a very amazing thing you could do. I just found this out by listening to Secondhand. Scrim does this. So what Scrim does usually, when he uses a crash that's not just to make like an entrance or transition, he does it right before a snare. It could be either right on the snare, a little bit after the snare, or before the snare, and it just makes it sound damn beautiful. I also threw in my tag as just a background sound because it just fit the vibe of the whole song. Sabo. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord below if you want to get my drum kit. I also offer 3 free loops, and a paid version comes with, I believe, 12 loops, 12 WAVs, 11 MP3s. Again, thank you very much, and here's the beat.